How do we define high availability? With a blend of managed services, connectivity, and world-class data centers across the United States. Each data center gives customers access to powerful, uninterrupted Ethernet network access, fully managed data services, and highly secured colocation space. The northeastern United States is the ideal region for data hosting at comparatively low risk for all high-risk natural disasters, including hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis. The Cleveland Data Center is an SAS 70 Type 2 facility located in Cleveland's Neo Park, only 13 miles from downtown Cleveland and 16 miles from the Cleveland Hopkins Airport. The site is convenient, secure from threats, and always accessible. It also serves as an ideal secondary data location for business across the Northeast U.S. Commercial power is delivered to this facility through a 4,000-amp power feed. Power then flows through 6 Liebert uninterruptible power supplies. These units provide a truly redundant A and B feed to the raised floor. In the unlikely circumstance that commercial power to the site is temporarily disabled, these systems are supplemented by 2 Caterpillar generators, producing 3 megawatts of power with 4,000 gallons of backup fuel on site, which can power the center for as long as needed. All power sources transfer through redundant electrical switchgear, a system that manages a smooth transition of power between supplies as needed. Both the A and B power feeds are constantly fed into uninterrupted power supply systems that can power the entire data center as power is being transferred from commercial power to generator. These layers of redundancy are how we ensure that power to the customer equipment is never absent, regardless of any emergency or unexpected power failure outside the facility. The inside of the data center is intricately engineered to provide an optimal operating temperature at all times. 6,200 square feet of the total 21,000 square feet facility are engineered with raised floor space. This system circulates cool, temperature-controlled air into the server rooms through floor-level ventilation systems. 14 redundant high-capacity computer room air conditioner units producing 540 tons of cooling are positioned throughout the facility. They pump chilled air into the data room and keep hardware at optimum operating temperatures of 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Server cabinets are positioned in parallel rows, back to back, creating a hot aisle, cold aisle configuration that efficiently keeps hot air circulating out of the cabinets and cool air circulating in. Cold air molecules are pushed from the computer room air conditioner unit under the floor, creating a high-pressure system that forces the chilled air up through air vents in the cold aisles. That chilled air is pulled in through the front of the server cabinets and then fanned back out as hot air in a hot aisle. The hot air rises to the ceiling and then enters the crack units for the cooling process to start again. Fiber optic connectivity is delivered to the building through diverse routing from 4 diverse fiber optic conduits into the data center's hub for connectivity, the POP room. From there it is fed into the Meet Me room and then distributed for use. This mesh configuration eliminates single points of failure and provides uninterrupted data flow across the network at all times. The facility is protected from fire by an FM 200 fire suppression and thermal detector system. An integrated physical security platform maintains the security of the data center's single point of entry. Employees are given access to the building only through a keycard access control system. Guests enter the facility and are then visually identified by a video call box before being granted access and greeted by security. All visitors must be signed in and be escorted in and out of the data center. The data room is protected by key cards given only to members of our staff. Inside, every individual server cabinet and caged area is key-locked and monitored by CCTV security cameras. All security data is fed into the building's Operations Support Center. From there, the internal engineering group, assisted by the Operations Support Center technicians, monitor the network 24/7, 365 days of the year. Live feeds are received on all hardware, software, network activity, plus integral infrastructure data from HVAC to fire suppression. For more information about our facility and about the value it offers you and your organization, please contact us today.